When it comes to filing a supplemental car insurance claim, people often get frustrated because it feels like a maze with no clear starting point. Trust me, I've been there, but it doesn't have to be daunting if you know the process. The first step is reviewing your primary insurance claim. This means carefully going over the payout or denial letter your insurer sent you. Often people skip this, but it's critical since supplemental claims only cover what's missed. Next, reach out to your supplemental insurance provider to notify them. Timing matters here. Most policies have a window like 30 or 60 days after your primary claim resolution. Miss that, and you're out of luck. Pain point alert: many people forget the documentation piece. Your supplemental provider will ask for your original insurance claim details, repair estimates, invoices, and proof of payment, basically a paper trail. If you're disorganized, this can get messy fast. Pro tip: keep a digital folder on your phone for all your car insurance-related documents. Snap photos of everything: receipts, inspection reports, even towing bills. A strong file game saves you from headaches later on. When submitting your claim to the supplemental provider, follow their instructions to the letter. Ignore that, your claim could get delayed, or worse, denied. Don't wing it. I've seen people lose hundreds this way. Here's where communication can make or break you. Call your supplemental insurer after submitting the claim and confirm they've received everything. One phone check can save you weeks of wondering if your paperwork disappeared. Speaking of delays, expect to wait. Supplemental claims can take a few weeks longer than regular insurance. Why? They often review your primary claim from scratch. Frustrating, yes, but patience here is non-negotiable. If you feel stuck or something's not adding up, talk it out. Call your provider and ask for clarification. I once discovered a $500 discrepancy just by asking why my towing costs weren't covered. Awkward? Maybe. Worth it? Always. Oh, and don't forget, supplemental insurance doesn't cover everything. Many policies exclude wear and tear or upgrades like custom wheels. Read your policy closely to avoid wasted effort on ineligible claims. Pain point time again. People often overestimate their supplemental payout. If your primary insurer lowballed you, it's unlikely the supplemental one will make up 100% of the gap. Just being honest here. Once you get reimbursed, review the payment carefully. Mistakes happen, and it's on you to catch them. Check if they reimburse taxes, fees, or the correct deductible. One wrong number can cost you. Finally, share your experience. If someone else asks you about supplemental claims, tell them how it works. I've helped friends save thousands just by explaining the process, and honestly, everyone loves a money-saving tip.